No, finally I can say this. It's the last look at the inside of the nose cone. We're going to clean up this flange a little bit. We're going to use a little gasket material on that flange and not just rely on the one single O-ring. Try and beef up our water infiltration. But we had a great success yesterday with installing our blade pintle pin. I was beginning to think that I might have bent it from the way that I extracted it from the hub here. I used a piece of threaded rod and some plates to pull it out. So we're going back together. Got a bunch of parts laid out right here. Got a bunch of stuff to clean up. We're gonna put the crosshead on here. After we get the crosshead on, we're going to test it, make sure that all the blades do exactly what they're supposed to, and then we'll be bolting on the nose cone. After the nose cone's on, I'm thinking we're going to put right around 25, maybe 30 gallons of oil in it. Maybe less. Hopefully less. Stuff is super thick, but we got a whole hog now. So we're going to use our manual operated pump with a gear reduction drill on it. Big Milwaukee whole hog. It should wind it right along and fill this sucker full of oil in no time flat. So we're going to use up a little Such Clean today, do a final cleanup, and finish bolting everything together. Any luck, by this evening, we'll see some pictures of a draft tube being pulled closed. So, Hackett Mills, cooking with gas, it's all about the proper technique. Humongous slide hammer is what wound up finally being used to get that pin to go in. Bunch of specialty welded nuts, more stuff built. Sometimes you just get so caught up in a project you forget to think outside the box. So, pins in, moving on to the next step.